this is John Cavalli, and this is your November 2014 Capital Market Financial Planning and Economic Review. And with a light case of the flu, I will save you the picture of my mugshot this time, or the actual live view of my mugshot. But I wanted to do the video anyway, and here is the actual post. So, coming straight from the streets again, from multiple client conversations, wanted to remind those folks that maybe teeter-totter back and forth on the edge of getting a standard deduction, basically itemizing and not itemizing. Okay, and so what am I talking about? Well, here are the limits to itemize. So if you only have this amount, you will not, if you're less than this amount, depending on your situation for 2014, you will not itemize. You'll just use your standard deduction. Well, now is the time that you may be getting your tax bill. Take a quick check and look at your tax bill. And if you do fall in your property tax bill, and if you do fall into this category where you're right on the edge, you might consider not paying, or basically clumping. What I'm talking about up here when I say this is clumping your two tax payments in one, and in 1 year. And the purpose of this is to go ahead and fully get over that standard deduction as much as you can, rather than just bumping up against it and losing your some of your write-offs. 1 year, you may want to clump everything. And it would also be a good idea that in that year that you clump, that would be the year, if you have elective expenses, donations, and things of that nature, you might want to go ahead and accelerate those. Confused? If you're confused, just give us a call. Well, in the essence of me not feeling real well, I just wanted to mention the co-anchor of the Sirius satellite radio show, how much fun I had. And I'm going to keep this really short, but it was a really neat. It was really neat to get back to the community. Michelle, the producer, came on. I did an earlier post, but I wanted to put it back in here just to remind everyone how much fun it was and how much your firm and the folks that work for you give back to the community, as well as are honored to have someone like Wharton ask us to co-chair a public radio show on the across the nation. And it was cool. It was a lot of fun. It's a little bit nerve-wracking because you don't know what kind of questions are going to come in, and there were a couple of tricky questions, but all in all, it was really, really fun. And in the essence of time, I think this will probably be one of the shorter videos, and we're on a mad dash to the end of the year. So thank you very much, and we hope you enjoyed the video, and we will talk to you, I guess, in 2015. Wow.